Hi everyone, in this video, we're going to compare two of the most popular large language models, Google Bard and ChatGPT. Google Bard. Google Bard is a large language model developed by Google AI. Some of the strengths of Google Bard include: it can comprehend and generate responses in multiple languages. It has access to up-to-date information. Some of the weaknesses of Google Bard include: it can sometimes be difficult to interpret complex instructions. It can go off on tangents during extended conversations. ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a large language model developed by OpenAI. Some of the strengths of ChatGPT include: it can generate long, coherent, and grammatically accurate responses. It can generate a wide range of different creative text formats. It is better than Bard at staying on track during extended conversations. Some of the weaknesses of ChatGPT include: it does not have access to up-to-date information. It can sometimes be less creative than Bard. It primarily focuses on English language responses. Both Google Bard and ChatGPT are powerful large language models with a wide range of capabilities. The best one for you will depend on your specific needs. Thanks for watching.